How to turn on or turn off private DNS on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. From here, we go down, then tap on connections. After that, scroll down. In here, tap on more connection settings. Then tap on private DNS. From here, you can turn it off by selecting off, or you can turn it on by selecting automatic, which is the recommended settings, or you can choose private DNS provider hostname. So 3 available options for you here. Now here's a private DNS uses a secure DNS connection that can prevent others on your network from seeing the website you visit. Finally, tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.